Welcome to Review Hub. Today I'm going to show you another tip to improve performance of your laptop or desktop. If you are fed up with your laptop or desktop computer's booting time or time to take open an application, then you may feel to format it or restore the operating system, which you will not get any good result. On the other hand, you may dump this computer and try to shift to another new one. And if it is a i5 just like mine, then you need to spend more than 1 lakh. But this way definitely you can save 1 lakh for sure and make your computer a new one. For this, all you need is a SSD with capacity which depends on your requirement. Here I am using a Kingston 240GB purchased for 7,500 rupees with 3 years warranty. And a caddy for hard drive which cost me only 900 rupees. This caddy I used to connect the hard drive which I am going to replace with the new SSD. I will use this as a secondary storage device. I will show you how to do this later. Then I bought a Kingston DDR3 4GB RAM card to extend my existing memory. It cost me 5,000 rupees and having a 5 years of warranty. Okay, let's do it now. First check in your system exactly what operating system are you using. As an example, here I am using Windows 10 Home Single Language Edition. Before starting our job, you have to download the same edition of Windows set up from Microsoft website into a bootable pen drive. Then shut down Windows properly. After that, remove your existing hard drive and just connect new SSD. Now connect new 4GB RAM card to the empty slot. This will be help to improve the multitasking ability of the computer. In the other words, you can do multiple works at the same time without getting slower by increasing the random access memory of the system. I hope you understand what I told. If not, please leave a comment down below. I'll explain you again. Okay, then fix your laptop back cover. Now we are going to fix the caddy with our old hard drive. Here all hard drive already being fitted into the caddy. This is the original DVD RoM which comes along with the laptop. Let's fix the caddy into the DVD slot and tight the screw. Then connect the battery pack. So you are going to use this as an additional partition to your computer. You can do this if you are not using your CD-ROM very often. But anyway, you can use CD-ROM at any time by removing this caddy. Now everything is ready. Boot the computer with bootable pen drive which you have downloaded same Windows edition. Then install a fresh copy of Windows into the new SSD. Once you connect this new copy of Windows to an internet connection, it will activate Windows automatically. Here if you want, you can partition your new SSD into several partitions as you wish. Okay, we have done all the modifications now. Now you are having a almost brand new condition computer with a fresh copy of Windows. Let's check how long it will take to boot the computer. Even after installing Microsoft Office and other third-party heavy apps like Adobe Premiere, Filmora, it took about 22 seconds to boot up the device. I was really impressed with the figure comparatively to the one I had earlier. Here you can see my same version of Windows. And now I have 8 GB of RAM and my Windows copy also being activated. So you can do multiple tasks at same time without getting slow or stuck the system. So definitely this is a worth conversion and save huge amount of money and time. Actually, solid state drives or SSDs are much faster than hard disk drives. They don't have any moving parts inside like hard disk drives do, so the noise is also lesser. But in the way of durability, hard disk drives are better than SSDs. Also, they are still cheaper than SSDs. But in any case, nowadays the new laptops are fitted with SSDs. That is one reason why the price is so high of a new laptop. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned to watch more videos like this.